Patent strategies for 3D printing in electronics manufacturing. 3D printing in electronics manufacturing involves using the technology to create electronic components. It offers advantages like customization, rapid prototyping, and complex designs, and is seeing growing adoption for enhanced functionality and design. Key patentable areas in 3D printing for electronics include innovations in materials like conductive and insulating compounds, advanced printing techniques for layer deposition, and software tools for electronic design creation. Material innovations include new conductive inks and filaments, advanced thermal and electrical insulation materials, and composite materials combining various properties for specialized uses. Printing techniques involve multi-material printing for integrating various materials, high-resolution methods for finer detail, and innovations in printing flexible and stretchable electronics. Design tools and software include patented CAD tools for complex electronic structures, simulation software for testing and optimizing designs, and systems that streamline the design to production process. Strategic considerations involve securing patent protection for key innovations, analyzing competitors' patents to find gaps, and staying ahead by monitoring and patenting emerging technologies. Prepare for potential patent litigations by building a strong defense with robust applications, monitoring competitors, and using mediation and arbitration for dispute resolution. For more information, contact patentpc.com at info@patent.com or call